Hello guys, this is John from Zoe-Ruijie Laser, and I'm honored to be here to introduce our company. Zoe-Ruijie Laser was established in 2002, the most experienced manufacturer of fiber laser cutting machines. Our portfolio is laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, CO2 machine, and also wood engravers. And our working area, we have the total 3 workshops here with a total area of 40,000 square meters. One is for the fiber laser manufacturing. Second one is for the CO2 and wood engraver manufacturing. And third one is for the mechanical processing. We are now standing in the showroom here, and I'm going to show you some of the machines we get to give you a brief of this. The first one is for the sheet metal and tube metal 2-in-1, which is combined function, saves money for the customers. As you buy one machine, it will cut 2 different kind of parts for you. And in this table, you can see the different cutting pieces. All these are made by this fiber laser cutting machine here. The next one is our B-tab. It is different with the others, which is with a protection cover and also an exchangeable pilot. You can see that all the cutting will be inside of the protection cover, which is safe for the operators. And also you can do the loading and unloading in the rear platform, which saves a lot of time and improves the efficiency here. And the final one is the S-tab, our most standard machines with 3 meters by 1.5 meters working area. And this is also the best selling. Well, our engineer is going to show you how the basic function of this machine, the fly cutting. Okay, you can see it's fantastic and great cutting with this machine. And okay guys, if you got any interest, just let us know, and we'll always be ready and happy to help you. Okay, so much for today. We'll be looking forward to seeing you in the show. Bye bye.